Welcome to homework.
From the figure we can draw the diagram of the prism as following. So we have a prism sitting here. This is angle alpha. Light strikes from this direction and then refracts in prism. Since the light is striking the prism, making an angle to the normal, which is a 90 degrees, so it will go straight, and then from here it will refract. So we can draw the normal here this way, and our critical angle, if the light does not pass into this medium, let's say here we have initial problem we have air, this will be our critical angle, which is actually the angle of incident. Then we can write using a trigonometric, just trigonometry, we can write the angles. So alpha plus theta critical will be equal to 90 degrees. So alpha will add up, because this will be our alpha, so this will be alpha. Theta critical and alpha, they sum up to 90 degrees. Then we can write, for glass to air interface, we can write Snell's law, which is the refractive index of A times sine of theta A, that is equal to refractive index of B, sine of theta B. Then our incident angle here is a critical angle, so then we can write sine critical here. Sine critical will be equal to 1 times refractive index of air times making 90 degrees, so sine 90 here, over refractive index of glass we have here. Glass we have 1 point of a prism 1.52. Then we can solve for the critical angle. So the critical angle we have here is 41.1 degrees. Then from here we can find alpha by simply plugging this value here. We can find the alpha for this case. So alpha we can find, this will be 90 minus 41.1 degrees, and the alpha here we get is a 48 degrees, approximately 48. So this is for the case when the prism is immersed in the air. What if it is immersed in water here? So we will use the same procedure, but we'll replace the refractive index of air with water, and by doing so we can write a critical angle here that will be equal to sine inverse. So this will be equal to sine inverse of refractive index of water, which is 1.33 times sine of 90, which is 1, so I will just write it 1 here. So we have 33 and then sine of 90, which is 1, or 1.52. So 1.52. Then we can get the critical angle when the prism is immersed in the water, theta c, which is 61.3 degrees. Using the same formula that we used here, then we can find alpha for this case. The alpha we get here is 28.7 degrees. So this is part B. End of the problem. Thank you.